So I didn't know what to call this video. Should I say I found a temple? Should I say, like, sometimes you over title something, let's say, and people go, this is bull. So every time he's going to say that he found a castle, it's really only going to be like a house. No, I found a decorated facade, is the proper term, I believe. The front construction of a building on the moon, geometrical shape, square, and the roof exactly like here on Earth with a point, and a decorated facade. This is in the north side of the moon. I just posted a video on the North Lunar City. Well, this is the continuum of the North Lunar City. And of course, oscillation, libration, I have talked about it once or twice, a brief video on libration and oscillation. Basically, I'll say it quickly, the moon oscillates and it's uneven in its rotation. It revolves unevenly. It's oscillating, probably some scientists say due to its slowing speed over a massive long period of time. But it affects each moon phase and which buildings we can see. Since I'm always on the outer limits of the moon, it's important to know that this building, this beautiful structure that we're seeing in this video, may not be there the next moon phase and may not be there for another 2-3 months. But maybe it will be there every moon phase. It depends on where it is on the line of the dark and the light side. Like structures sometimes, they look like craters sometimes, or stones. These are structures. Look at them as I pan upwards here and see how the structures are sitting there in plain view that look like they were put there and most often can't be seen depending on where the line is upon each phase of a new moon. It's hard for someone to find truth in YouTube nowadays because there are so many channels out there and there is so much false information, unfortunately. But don't despair because there is a lot of real information out there. You can tell by looking at these pans over the moon that they're not the best quality. Well, I think that they're pretty good, but no, they're not the best quality, but they're authentic. And they're clear enough to see that there are actually structures that are being caught with a 1500mm camera. So think of it. What you're seeing in all my videos of these structures, I must be up to at least 28 or 30 structures on the moon. It's ridiculous. It's packed with these structures. The person that will present truth to someone, we have to stop judging them for what telescope they're using or what technique they're using, and for once just analyze the work. It's right there in front of you. Analyze my work. Without knowing me or judging me or even hearing me talk, what everyone should do is watch my video with the volume down and look at what they're seeing. Pause it, analyze it, and make your own judgment. And I'm sure you'll come to the same conclusion as me. All I am declaring is that the moon does have structures on them. Whether they are alien or human, they are still there. In this part, I believe it was Gangstalker that told me to look at the light on a tower that was at the back north side of the moon. I don't know if this is the 45-degree mark. I have to look into that. But nonetheless, I still wanted to show this. At the back, you will see a light flickering atop something. Like near Plato Crater, I believe it's fire, not light.